This trash can, I'm probably just gonna like keep it next to my bed. Hey, what's up guys, it's ThunderYetis here, and welcome back to another Disney College Program video. So I leave for Florida in about 3 days, and I decided to make this video to help future Disney College Program participants in deciding what to bring with them. Now, I am staying at Flamingo Crossings Village, and I will be in the east side. I don't exactly know what building yet, but I know that I'm going to be in a 2x2. There's 3 different room types at Flamingo Crossings. There's a 2x2, a 4x2, and a 4x4. A 2x2 means that you share a bedroom and a bathroom, and you will have a twin bed. A 4x2 means you get your own room, but you have to share a bathroom, and your own room comes with a full XL. And a 4x4 is the same bedroom as a 4x2, but you get your own bathroom as well. So staying in a 2x2, I will have someone with me. I will have a bunkmate for the DCP, and every apartment will have 4 people living with them. So not having my own bedroom and sharing it with someone didn't really restrict what I was going to bring, but it did shave off some items from the list. Like, I thought about bringing a TV, I thought about bringing like my Nintendo Switch. I still might bring a TV, and I might bring my Xbox, but anything to do with my PC setup is just off the table, just because there's not going to be any space in the room for a desk and a computer. But I am going to show you what I'm bringing, or what I think are essential items. Just items that I think, and my mom thought when she helped me buy them, that I might need or will come in handy while I'm down there living on my own. So, let me show you what I got. Alright, let's get into what I brought. I didn't know exactly how to do this, or how to make this style of showing things off, so I decided to pull an office chair up to the side of my bed. Alright, let's get started.
A spatula.
This is for cooking, obviously. I'm gonna be cooking a lot down there, and to go with that, I got this blue diamond skillet pan. It's pretty solid, pretty nice. Got it from Walmart. You know how Entangled, like, Samwise Gamgee did it, Flynn Rider did it. Is it? Oh god. Frying pans are effective. Next thing I got is this beach towel. I got it for Christmas from my parents. It's got Mickey Mouse on it, and it says Middle Tennessee Raiders, because that's the school I go to. MTSU. Go blue. Next thing I got is this lap desk. It's pretty nice. I got it from Barnes & Noble. I still have to do homework, sadly, and I still have to take classes from my school, so having this on my bed and put my laptop on here, and I got a little clipboard too. It's gonna be nice to have with me. Next thing I got, I can't tell if you can see that, is a shower caddy. I'm gonna be sharing a bathroom, so having this with me to keep everything nice, tidy, and organized will be definitely helpful. A big old box of medicine. I actually have a few friends that are down there in Florida right now, and they said all the stores in the vicinity are wiped clean. And I really appreciate that heads up, and I'm willing to share. I'm not a drug dealer. I just look out for the safety and well-being of my friends. I also got this pennant flag for Christmas. This is also MTSU themed, but it's pretty cool, and I'm gonna hang it up. I'm gonna hang it up above my bed somewhere. That's coming too. I'm gonna give y'all a room tour of what I got in Flamingo Crossing. And I also got this mattress topper. Yeah, I've also heard that the beds aren't the comfiest. I don't know if that's true. If you're currently at Flamingo Crossings right now, if you've ever stayed in Flamingo Crossings, please let me know how the beds are, because I don't know. But what I've heard from one person is that the beds aren't the comfiest. So I bought this mattress topper just as a precaution. I use air quotes way too much. Towels! I got these from Target. 2 washcloths, 2 hand towels, 2 regular towels, because I don't know, just, my mom likes me being prepared. Love you, Mom. I got it! Bed sheets! I got a comforter, a blanket that came with it, sheets, shams, pillowcases, you name it. We got it. Also, yes, I bought the exact same kind of sheets that I currently have just for a twin bed, because I like them. I also got this. I got this bath mat. It's bigger than that. Bath mat. This is going to go in front of my sink or in front of the shower, depending on what my roommates bring, actually. I don't know what they're bringing. I actually don't know who they are yet. So, future roommate, if you're watching this, hi. Next thing is a rug. I'm going to put this rug next to my bed. I like it. It's very soft, very cozy. If you haven't noticed, I kind of got a theme going of gray. Gray towels, gray bath mat, gray rug, gray lap desk, gray sheets, gray comforter, gray spatula, but black trash can. This is also from Target. Most of the things I either got from Target, Walmart, or Bed Bath & Beyond. Bed Bath & Beyond, I'm pretty sure was just the sheets, and that's it. Anyway, this trash can, I'm gonna keep it like next to my bed, just so I can have something next to me to throw things away. Next thing I got is Chewbacca. Chewbacca is going to be with me in the DCP. This is called a Cuddles, and they have them at Target. I don't know if they have them anywhere else. They have Mickey, Minnie, Captain America, I've seen Hulk, I think Stitch has one also, but I like the Chewbacca one just because I'm a big Star Wars guy. I love this, and I can't wait to be down in Florida with them. Next up is something I haven't done yet, and I need to still decide how to pack this. Clothes. So I got all my clothes together, and this is what I'm going to bring. So if you know anything about me, I'm a big t-shirt guy, so I'm going to bring at least like 8 to 10 t-shirts probably, just because it's Florida, hot, t-shirts. Good. I'm also going to bring another t-shirt and a couple more gym shorts just to kind of chillax in, or maybe use as pajamas, or just anything like that. Also, if you know anything about me, I alternate between khakis in the summer and jeans in the winter. So 5 pairs of khakis. Also, for traditions, we have to dress up and look a little bit nicer, so I'm going to bring a button down and a pair of khakis. And I'm also going to bring 1, maybe 2 pairs of jeans, just because I don't think it's going to be too terribly cold, but I have heard that it is decently chilly right now. Probably, I think I've heard around 30s, 40s, maybe 50s, so just having a little bit of more sleeve length or pant length is going to be good. Also, right now, the current COVID restrictions as of January 20th, 2022 is that guests do not have to wear masks outdoors, but they do have to wear them indoors in stores, attractions, or like resort lobbies. And cast members, I believe, have to wear them in or outdoors. So I'm going to be bringing a couple pairs of masks, nothing too crazy, but nothing like, I'm not going to go mask overboard. Also, these 2 things. Having a portable charger in the Disney park is one of those near essential products that you almost need to bring just as much as your phone. Because with Disney in its current state, you are going to use your phone a lot. You're going to be using it for the My Disney Experience app, reserving your food. If you want to do mobile checkout using Genie, you're using your phone a lot in the Disney park. So having an extra battery bank so you can just plug your phone up on the go is absolutely necessary. And also in the Disney parks, they have gotten rid of, I'm pretty sure most, if not all, restaurants have gotten rid of plastic straws. So having this right here, what I pointed at, the blue thing, is a metal straw. It's just it's a collapsible little thing. It's magnetic in 3 pieces, but having that is nice because personally, I'm not a big fan of paper straws. They kind of just fall apart in my mouth when I'm trying to drink. And I know I could just not use a straw, but I like straws. So having a metal straw definitely helps if you also don't like paper straws, but you still like to use a straw. Also, something else that I wear a lot, hats. I'm going to be bringing a couple hats, but I'm also going to be buying a lot of hats down there. Got this Epcot one, this Jungle Cruise one I got at Box Lunch, and this Boba Fett one. But I'm also going to be bringing this Monsters University one. I don't know if I'm going to be bringing more, but I know I am going to be buying a lot more because the 50th anniversary merch looks pretty good. When it comes to shoes, I try to keep it simple. So tennis shoes for just about everyday use and running around the parks. These slip-on Skechers, I keep buying the same pair, but just different size up since about 7th or 8th grade. Flip-flops, just if I ever want to go to the pool or just walk around at all. Little dressy shoes and some cowboy boots in case it gets too cold. Also, I'm bringing a backpack. I'm going to be having a backpack for park days, work bag. That's going to be kind of my catch-all for everything. And if you notice in the background, this backpack here, that's the one I took to school for the past 2 years at MTSU. I may have gotten the same backpack for Christmas, so that's what I'm going to be bringing down to Florida with me when I do the Disney College program. The rest of the stuff I didn't show you is just things like phone chargers and headphones and toiletries and just bits and bobs like that. But for the most part, what I showed you, what's on my bed right now, is essentially all I'm going to bring. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all on Travel Day probably. So, this is ThunderYetis, I'm signing off.